That's that good old carbon fiber right there. What's up, guys, and welcome to another day at the Car Wars YouTube channel. So today we got a bunch to do. We got to take care of all the body panels that are damaged. So right here we got all the body panels that need some attention, some work. So the roof right here, I got carbon fiber. We got to do some carbon fiber repair. The hood needs some carbon fiber repair over here and over there. The quarter panel, Vito already started. Fiberglass right there. That little bit right here. The rear bumper, all it is this right here, but it needs attention also. And then this fender, it almost looks good, but there's a slight crack right here, so we got to repair that. Also, guys, we got a little giveaway going on in this video, so Peter is creating it right now. Look at that. This is a piece of our rocker, the one that was crushed, so we made a little piece, and look at this custom work right here. So all you have to do to enter this giveaway is be subscribed to our YouTube channel, follow us on Instagram, and comment Z06 in the comment section on this YouTube video, and you will be entered to win this piece of a Corvette Z06. And just in case you guys were wondering where this part came from, for those of you that don't know, this right here. All you have to do is just complete the rest of the rocker panel and buy rims and some few hoses and a few engine parts, and you will have yourself a C7 Z06. So this is the first piece of your puzzle. Go ahead and enter, drop that comment, and let's get back to the action. Alright, so the roof is carbon fiber and it was busted right here, so I'm gonna take this down, take it as far down as it's broken apart, and then I got sheets of carbon fiber and I'm gonna apply it and fill it up with resin. And then there's a crack down there, so I gotta clean all this up, open it all up, and then fill it in and reinforce it. Alright, so here's the hood. This is underneath the front part of the hood, and as you can see, carbon fiber kind of broke apart, so I'm gonna have to shave all this down so we can apply new layers of carbon fiber. So I bought this carbon fiber repair kit. Here's the carbon fiber itself, and then here's the epoxy. It's a 2-to-1 mix. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna cut this into little pieces, because all that stuff that I took down, now I have to build it all up. Alright, we got Peter mixing some resin together, getting that mixture right. I think we need to add a little bit of this in here so that way our Corvette can fly. It's gonna be, our carbon fiber is gonna be extra light. Alright, so I'm gonna be applying this resin. I knocked it down. This is very thin, so now I have to build it up with that carbon fiber. So yeah, he knocked it down everywhere to where there is cracks or any imperfections. Yeah, so it's been knocked down, but now I have to build it up. Check this out, this looks pretty cool. That's that good old carbon fiber right there. Got the hood, letting it cure. Now we gotta go do the roof. The roof is also pretty cracked up. I think Peter already prepped it, so I don't wanna touch it. But there's like a hole right here. Oh, let me get it to focus. A hole right there. So this is all the cracks. He cleaned it all up. Now we're gonna start building that up. So we got all the carbon fiber on here, the resin, so we gotta let it cure. Man, I hope this resin doesn't take too long, but we gotta let it cure. And then, I mean, it looks a little funny right here with all the patches and stuff, but it's still gonna be all sanded down and leveled out. But this will give it strength and rigidity. So that right there, we gotta let it sit. All right, got the carbon fiber repaired. Now we got some fiberglass. We gotta let the resin cure, and then it's gonna be ready to get sanded if need be. I don't know if we're gonna sand this side. Are we gonna sand this side? We might to make it look pretty, but the back side right here, it's gonna definitely have to be sanded down. This got some resin. This resin cures a lot faster than the carbon fiber stuff. All right, so while Peter's playing around with that fiberglass and carbon fiber, I gotta disassemble this bumper so we can get that little corner primered. Also, guys, we got our think of a name, comment a name for the Corvette. Guys, we need a name for the Corvette. Drop a name, name filled in here. We got our Corvette little gift. Look at these side skirts. Little skirts right here. Dress her up real nice. Oh yeah, look at that, and a lip. So we're gonna prep these. So we're actually gonna paint them the that carbon flash color, the same color as we have on the mirrors and everything else that's like black rear spoiler. Also, we're thinking to do the roof. We're thinking to do this portion of it carbon flash. So while I've been dinking around posting stuff on Instagram for you guys and taking apart that bumper, Peter actually wet sanded these parts. Alright, so Peter's throwing down some adhesion promoter to make sure that paint sticks. So the carbon flash is all done. Check it out. Look at that. Look at that. That looks so good. So unfortunately, I have to debadge this bumper. That way we can do a nice, good job. That way we don't have to tape around and it's gonna look like OEM. The best way to do it so far is using fishing line. So you gotta heat all of this up, and then you're gonna put, you guys will see it. This sticker is actually out of a few pieces, so in order to keep the spaces correct and everything, I just put a piece of tape over it, and it should still be good. We'll try to reuse this. Nice and saved, and nothing is damaged. So this is reusable, it's in perfect shape. Just put on new double-sided tape and it's good to go. Check this out. Look what the Niko Brothers hooked us up with. They got some, what is it, double-sided tape with the Velcro. Go check their channel out also, Niko Brothers. We're actually at their shop right now. That's where the frame machine is and the paint booth. So, look at that. That is sick. We gotta hang this on our wall. So what I gotta do right now is actually take this door apart. So right now, I gotta scuff this door. We'll wash it, scuff it, and pretty much prep it for paint. So now that the door is all scuffed up, we actually went ahead and got a new bumper for this thing without the holes for the washers. So I'm gonna pull that out and actually get scuffing on that. So all these parts are ready pretty much for primer. That's been repaired. Got some body filler to fill it up and make it nice and smooth. The quarter panel's ready. That's been repaired. That little piece is repaired. And the fender's repaired, so it is ready for primer. So Peter's testing his gun. Oh, look at that. It works. Yes. So these parts are nice and primed. We gotta let them dry, so it's gonna be a couple of days. We're probably gonna set it out in the sun, let them dry and cure so the primer can set. So all these parts that needed body filler or fiberglass is pretty much ready. Unfortunately on the carbon fiber, it actually took a lot longer to cure than we thought. Fiberglass cures a lot faster, but we gotta let this sit. So we layered it on. So you can feel that it's actually pretty strong already. So we're gonna let this sit till Monday, and then we're gonna get right back on it, finish this up also. Alright, so that's gonna be it for this video. We pretty much repaired all the body panels except for the hood and the roof because of the carbon fiber epoxy. It took so long to dry. So we're gonna do it probably on Monday. Next video is gonna be a whole lot of painting. We gotta paint all this stuff. Well, first we gotta block down the primer. And so pretty much next video is going to be a whole lot of painting. Also guys, don't forget to enter the giveaway. Just comment Z06 in the comment section and you'll get a chance to win this rocker panel from the Z06 we're rebuilding. If you enjoyed this video, like it, share it with your friends, get them to subscribe, and see you guys on the next one.